All right, Sean, you ready? You're up as it is. Hey, man, can you get a hold of someone? It's like birds. It's like being in the beach in here.
Yes, Ramona was calling about it.
I'm gonna email it too.
So.
All right, let's roll, nerds. Tell me, Sean, what you got?
Okay, so Mr. Coates, T-Raz came back. It does recommend him for YMAC.
Wonderful.
Which is great. Of course, my concern is always, of course, that a year county is less time than YMAC to complete the program. He's very interested in keeping his record clean, at least.
This is the way.
Yeah.
This is the way. Come on, you didn't watch Mando?
Oh, I did. Just.
And it's May 4th too.
Yeah.
This is the way.
He wants me to push the extension with the GPS monitor.
We did that.
I
We've
told
done
him
all
we're
that.
probably past that point.
You want me to talk to him?
Welcome to.
I mean, it's up to you.
Probably a good idea with him because he's probably just gonna ask and ask and ask. So, yeah, if we could bring him out.
Bring it out, Mr. Coates, please.
This is how he's gonna go general insurance.
Hi, you said Kyle? Hi, Kyle. Nice to meet you. How are you?
I just got to I was like locked in and now I get it now. Yesterday. That was himself in the tire. And he has like a roll what do you call it? Super soakers. Rolled and he popped up. I was like, oh yeah, that's great. Oh yeah.
How about the Rockets last night, huh?
Yeah. I was too locked into the hockey game last night so I missed most of it. So it was a
Oh, you
2
didn't miss
minute
much.
in hockey, 2 minutes left in the game, pulled their goalie, scored a goal, and then scored another one with 1.6 seconds left of game 7. Of course, went to double overtime and Winnipeg won. So the team that had to come back. So I was thrilled as a just fan of the game and not liking either of those teams.
Yeah, it was a game.
Apparently, that's what they say.
Morning, Mr. Coates. Good morning, sir. No. We've literally given you opportunity after opportunity. When you're out on bond, you get the opportunity to try to do things right. We give that to you going out there. You ever need resources, we give you a lawyer. It's your responsibility to ask a lawyer whenever you need resources. And then after that, you get on probation. Probation is the ultimate, I guess, opportunity for you to be able to do stuff on your own.
Yes, sir.
We now know if I let you out there and I ask you to do it on your own, it's not going to happen. You've shown that to us. And when you come back and you try to explain it, it's everybody else's fault but yours. And you try to blame it on, I ain't got a ride, I got this person, that person's not helping me out. And so now we have to resort to more drastic measures to try to get you on our side. And I think that this is it.
Yes, sir. Yes.
After this, I really don't have much more than just jail. And I'm trying to get you out and I'm trying to get you to understand and learn and be a better person by giving you the tools.
Yes, sir. That's understandable.
That's
but
all, right?
Your Honor, if I may,
Sure.
like, again, like, I understand how I was saying it, like, last week when I came, it did sound like I was blaming everybody else, yes. It's docketed down, like, I have reasoning to most of those lates. The days that I didn't show, there's reasonings, like, there's reasonings to that, and it's not BS reasonings, you know what I mean? Like, and I understand, like, it's not trusted that if I go home today I'm not gonna show up. I'm way closer to this side of town now. I'm not all the way out there in Katy. I was all the way out there in A-Leaf. It was further as a bus ride to get out here. And yes, there was nobody to bring me, like nothing. Like I understand, like it's all on me. I can't blame nobody else but myself because if I really wanted it done, I should have brought myself down here and got it done. Yes, sir, that's understandable. And I take my accountability for that. But I'm way closer. I have like a lot of good things going for me right now. Like I have a good job, a good paying job. All it takes is for me to call in to work, sir. Like literally all it takes for me to call in to work. It's a 30, 45 minute bus ride to get here. There's nothing for me to miss. Like nothing. Like I understand there's no chances that wants to be given. All I'm asking is just one. I missed that. Just a year.
And here's the rub. He didn't even show up one time, right? You didn't even show up one time to your probation. That tells me that you just don't give a flip because not even one time did you show up to probation.
Sir, I was kicked
So-
out, sir. I was kicked out.
There it goes. There it goes. There it goes. Oh,
It's
the pink elephant. There it goes. Mr. Coates. That was your opportunity. I don't know what's going on in your life. I don't know what's going on with you. So what I do
Don't
is
care.
I have you speak to our clinicians who are best able to tell us how to move forward with this case. They have. And I think that that's the appropriate way.
I haven't even got to speaking to them.
You got what? Is there something else?
I'm just asking for a chance, bro. I messed that chance up. You could sit me down for 25 to life.
That can happen.
Like, bro, like that's all I'm asking for is just a monitor time. Like you could slap that monitor time 5 p.m. if you needed to. Like it's all on me. Like I could make a call in to work and I could show up. I was all the way out there in Katy. I'm not trying to blame nobody else because again, yes, it's all on me. It is my fault. I should have made myself known to come down here. Again, I was kicked out due to a lot of reasonings. There was a lot of things going on in my life, sir. Nothing's going on now. I got everything straight. Like everything is situated. I got a job. All it takes is for me to call in to work, sir. Like this is not something I want to do. This sitting in there is not something I want to do. I don't belong in there. I don't belong in there with them people. I'm not one of these people that just mess up and just want to don't care. I do care.
Okay. We have a program that has been recommended by the TRAS, by the clinicians.
Sir, I'm gonna be sitting here for 4 to 6 weeks, adding time before going to there.
I'll do my best.
We're going to expedite it to make sure that you get in there quicker, okay? But you have to understand, Mr. Coates, actions have consequences. This is it. I'm trying to intervene in a manner that you don't graduate to the cases that go upstairs. That's all I want, okay? I brought you out here to let you know what's happening now, to amend the conditions.
I'd rather do my jail time, honestly.
Okay.
I don't need that place. I don't need an attitude adjustment. I'm a very respectful person. Y'all just not trying to work with me.
All right. We're going to expedite it. If need be, I'll get on the phone and I'll talk to myself.
I'm gonna sit here for another month.
Well, I'm going to work on it for you, Mr. Coates.
Thank you, Judge.
I will. Okay. Get on with Shatoria. Get it quickly.
Judge, are you ready for us to damage the random? Yeah. All right, page 10. Gutierrez, Benitez. Come on up. Okay.
Más escuché pues.
You are Mr. Eric
Ustedes, Eric.
Gutierrez Bennett.
Yes.
Is it Benitez?
Yes.
So you're
Yes.
charged with driving while intoxicated You're facing up to 6 months in jail and or a $2,000 fine. We are going to do probable cause.
Ya lo sé.
You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can or will be used against you. You have the right to have an attorney present. If you cannot afford one, one will be appointed to you, sir.
Thank you, Your Honor. On April 28,
28
2025,
2025,
in Harris County, Texas, law enforcement officers were dispatched to a major accident and made contact with a law enforcement officer who stated they had smelled an odor of alcoholic beverage from the defendant. The law enforcement officer made contact with the defendant, and upon opening the defendant's vehicle, he too smelled the strong odor of alcoholic beverage. The defendant stated he was on his way home from the park where he consumed 3 12-ounce beers. Standard field sobriety tests were conducted, a 6 out of 6 on the HGN, a 2 out of 8 on the walk and turn, a 0 out of 4 on the one-leg stand. The defendant consented to provide a breath sample and blew a .142 and a .125.
Give you eyes.
Dice
Your
tiene
Honor.
antecedentes de nuestra señoría.
License.
Licencia de conducir.
Right now.
¿Tienen licencia de conducir? Ujú.
Judge, the license is open.
Sí. En la licencia.
Here is Benitez. I'm going to find that there's sufficient probable cause to go forward with the case.
Caso.
I am ordering you as a condition of your bond not to consume alcohol,
Consumir alcohol.
illegal drugs, unprescribed controlled medication. I'm going to randomly test you. If I find that you're using, I will revoke your bond, put you in jail. No more PR bonds. I don't know what your immigration status is, but if you're not in this country with permission and you go to jail and immigration finds you because they sweep it hourly, they will put an immigration detainer on you and you will be stuck like Chuck in custody until this case is over with. And then you get shipped off to immigration. You are not to violate any of these conditions, and you're not allowed to drive unless you have a valid Texas driver license and liability insurance in your name. Those are bond conditions of yours as well.
Condiciones
Do
suyas.
you understand?
¿Se lo entiende? Yes.
Do you have a lawyer today?
¿De abogado hoy?
No, no tengo.
No.
Do you have the ability to hire one?
Vamos. Yes.
We're going to give you time.
Vamos a dar.
So I will have you go to Victoria, sign a reset. After that, you'll meet with Roxanne for your bond conditions. After that, you'll be free to go. Don't pick up any new cases. Don't be a danger to my city.
Digo, pero cuidado en usted.
All right, come on. Hey, Will.
Hey.
Happy Monday. What's new? Yeah.
I'm here on Mr. Wenzel, W-E-I-N-Z.
Wayne. What's the deal?
The deal is, so we have an AFM in here, picked up, continuous. You revoked and raised, he made bond, it's fine in both cases. He's here. I don't think we ever redid his bond conditions for him to sign. So we just wanted to knock that out today. We are waiting on felony to indict this case, indict the felony, or no bill, honestly, so we can resolve this AFM. Blaze is here to comment on
So
that.
not at D-Day yet, but you're getting there.
I know.
It's not all false work here. It's really because our arms is like continuous, we need to see that diagram. I'm gonna email felony, see if they can just expedite getting to grand jury, so we can just start the case with felon.
Okay. I mean, they have 180 days. What if they wait?
Right. And this case was filed in February. So that's August. So we're
So if you
not,
set this for trial, does it kill it upstairs? You know,
well, it would.
Good, expedite
To
it.
dismiss it before tonight.
I mean,
I'm okay with that.
well, it's up to you. You're at 160 now. I'm going to give you guys another reset, but at that point, you know, it's-
Would it be a 30-day, Your Honor? or-
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
As long as I can waive my guy's appearance, that's okay with me, because he's It's hard for him to move around.
What are we doing with the next?
You need to decide what to do, either set it or,
Yeah, I'll set it as soon as possible.
I think they're that fast.
Okay. And then can we just do same bond conditions as the original? Okay.
did they order no contact with him? Is he here now?
Yes, but he's fucking nerds.
Please. You want no contact on the complainant?
Let me see, let me look at what they ordered. Hold on, I've got it here for the felony case. It says no contact with Christian.
No contacts over.
Okay.
So.
It's not. It's not. I hope it's not.
Oh, sorry about that.
So I'm in the felony court, it says no contact.
So the felon is, like, we should hear your.
Let me just pull up the phone case, make sure that it doesn't, I'm not 1906. I have 3/1/25. There were bond conditions signed. No contact. He signed it the
He's thinking of Moab, most likely.
yeah, he's probably thinking of the MUP is what he's thinking. Yeah, but just explain to him he's not allowed to have contact with this person. We'll mirror the conditions. Since he's here, we'll just have him sign it, or if you want to print out a copy of it and just take it to him, it'll be easier. And
Okay.
then we'll give you the 30 days.
Okay.
What do you want?
Do I need to hear this particular validate?
No,
Wait, please.
okay. Wait,
Was everything?
Oh, yeah.
as long as we know that he knows and he's,
We are in contact. so-
I believe,
Okay.
you're an officer of the court, I trust you.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
The future.
I'm strong. Hey, morning.
I have a quick off docket question. This is for Russell Singleton. We are set for trial May 20th. Last week, felony reset his felony cases to May 20th. Should we keep the same trial date or reset? Keep the same trial date?
I mean, we're
Okay.
set for trial.
Right.
I'm not gonna cave just because they happen to put it on the scene.
Okay,
No, I mean, we have our trial date, you
okay,
know, unless he takes something, we're going,
right, okay. So
yeah.
Singleton, Russell Singleton. I think this is Sebastian's case.
Oh, okay.
Yes. Okay, thank you, Judge.
Morning, Judge. Can I approach?
No.
Yeah. Roches?
Ready?
Yes, I'm Mr. Roches.
Top of page 17.
Okay.
The case on?
Joe, what are we doing with this?
It's an arraignment, Judge.
Oh, it's 1,300 days.
Right, Judge. We just reposted bond. You said that name. Roches? Yeah. I don't see it. So I just signed on, Judge, over the
Where's he
weekend.
been for the last 4 years?
¿Dónde has estado los últimos 4 años? ¿Dónde has estado?
Son en diferentes lugares
Different places.
porque trabajo
Just,
pintura.
Mr. Roches, you're charged with driving while intoxicated. This case is 1,296 days old. We set cases for trial at 180 days, just to give you a little perspective. We are going to do probable cause. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you. You have the right to have an attorney present. If you cannot afford one, one will be appointed to you, sir.
Había uno.
Thank you, Judge. An officer is dispatched with traffic hazard and may contact a will witness, another
Un
HPD
testigo,
officer
otro oficial de policía.
who found the defendant asleep on the wheel, car turned on the public roadway. There was a bottle of Prosecco in the defendant's pocket and an open bottle of beer in the
Había
vehicle.
una lata abierta.
The defendant had bloodshot eyes, slurred speech, and the odor of an alcoholic beverage. The defendant admitted drinking 5 beers before driving. Concerning sobriety tests were conducted, and the defendant, lawful substance was written as 6 out of 6 on the HGN, 4 to 8 on the walk and turn, and 0 to 4 on the one leg stand. The defendant consented to breath that came back at 0.116 and 0.122.
Mr. Roche, I'm going to find that there's sufficient probable cause to go forward with your case. Can you run his NCIC, see what he's been up to and what kind of, if anything, criminal cases he has picked up?
Yes, Judge. Which, I don't have any cases charged in between this.
So you pull up NCIC, no new cases?
No new cases.
License?
License.
He doesn't have one.
Mr. Roche, I want you to understand something, that I take the protection of my public the utmost serious. I don't care who you are. I don't care what color you are. I don't care if you're a small farm animal. You endanger my public. It's really not going to go well for you. You do not have a license. You are not allowed to drive. You will be signing an affidavit with me today. This is a promise you're going to make that you're not going to drive. If I find that you do, I can have a contempt hearing. You can be facing an additional 6 months in jail and a $500 fine every time you drive. Do you understand? The worst possible thing you can do is drive in violation of this court order. I'm also ordering you not to consume alcohol, illegal drugs, or unprescribed controlled medication. I'm going to randomly test you. If I find that you're consuming alcohol or illegal drugs, likewise, I will put you in jail. No more PR bonds. I don't know what your immigration status is, but if you're not in this country with permission, when you go to jail and immigration finds you, they will put a detainer on you and you will be stuck in custody until this case is over with. And then you get shipped off to immigration. On your ankle, I'm now going to put a GPS monitor so I know where you are at all times. You will get it on today. Due to the age of your case, I will give you 30 days for you and your lawyer to meet to discuss what you want to do. At the end of the 30 days, you must accept the plea bargain from the state, or we will set your case for trial. But you get no more time. And I'm going to advise you now that if you ever violate, or if you ever take off on us again, your bond will hit the clouds. Do you understand?
Yes.
You'll pay for the monitor. And then, is Discovery, what do you have on Discovery? Please, let me know.
He's PTI eligible then.
Joe, this case is 1,300 days old. I'm not giving resets. If he's actually going to apply to try to get into the program, he's got to have everything done within the next 2 weeks. You know, I mean, 30 days is the absolute max for him to get everything done.
Yes, sir.
Like,
Schedule a T-Round.
just- Yeah, well, I don't know. They're denying more than I've ever seen before. And because he's absconded 4 years, I don't know how that's going to play into it. So I would probably.
I don't think we need the mitigation. It's gonna come directly from the DA. Because he's under, it was a 0.112, is that correct? And then asleep at the wheel.
I don't know. I'm just saying I've seen more denials now than I've ever seen. So before you do that and he has to shell out $300, I would apply first to see if they grant him entry. You know, discovery complete. Great. So if you can release everything so they have it today. Okay, Mr. Roche, we'll give you 30 days. Be ready. You must appear at the next setting. Thanks, Joe.
All right, let's talk about that. Watching work through this docket was like watching someone juggle patience, stern warnings, and the occasional pop culture aside, equal parts mentor, disciplinarian, and no-nonsense referee. The morning opened with who had missed every probation appointment. Fleischer's frustration was clear. Probation is the ultimate opportunity, he said, and failing to show even once told him Coates didn't care. Coates pushed back, blaming distance, rides, and being kicked out before finally admitting he should have made it happen. He begged for one more chance, promising his job and closer housing would keep him on track. Fleischer didn't sugarcoat it. After this, I really don't have much more than jail, and ordered him into a clinician-recommended program. His tone mixed warning with tough love, making it clear this was the last stop before hard time re. The docket moved to fresh arrests. Entity Paargis after crashing with a .142 back. Fleischer set strict bond conditions: no alcohol, no drugs, no driving without a license or insurance. He warned Bennett that violations meant jail and no more PR bonds. He even added an immigration note: if you're not here with permission, you'll be stuck like Chuck. It was blunt, colorful, and unmistakable. Later, Mr. W worked confusion tied to a felony upstairs. Fleischer cleared it up by mirroring conditions across courts, ensuring no contact with the complainant, and moving the case forward. It was procedural, but showed his knack for syncing overlapping jurisdictions without delay. Finally, 1 days old. He'd been found asleep at the wheel with alcohol in his car and blew a 116 and .122. Fleischer was firm. I take the protection of my public the utmost serious. I don't care who you are. I don't care if you're a small farm animal. You endanger my public. It's not going to go well for you. He barred Roche from driving, required an affidavit swearing it, warned contempt could stack 6 months per violation, and ordered random alcohol testing. He gave 30 days for discovery and plea decisions, but made it clear, no more delays. What tied it all together was F.I.L., direct, colorful, and uncompromising. He'll make a Star Wars joke 1 minute, then threaten contempt the next. But beneath the humor and sternness is consistency. Everyone leaves his courtroom knowing exactly what's expected, what happens if they fail, and how close they are to losing their last chance. If you found this hearing insightful, consider subscribing, hitting the bell, and letting me know your thoughts in the comments below. I read everyone.